Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Saputri, CN 12010426908, with Supervisor Dedi Wahyudi, MPD, from Department of English Education, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, State Islamic University, Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau, Pekanbaru. In here, I want to explain about my proposal. The title of my proposal is Student Perception on Using Quizzes in Learning English at the 11th grade student of SMAN 2 Siak Hulu. Introduction. Background of the research. According to Chelsea et al. 2014, learning English is the multifaceted process of acquiring linguistic skill encompassing listening, speaking, reading, and writing. To get student interest in participating in English language learning activity, teachers should provide interesting teaching materials or tools. One of such platform tool for learning English is quizzes. In 11th grade, teachers have implemented using quizzes. By knowing student perception on using quizzes, the teacher can use quizzes as supporting medium in learning English and help students to understanding in the learning process. Next is identification of the problem. There are 4 identification of the problem. First is some of students lack enthusiasm and motivation to participate actively in learning English. Second, some of students less interest in using quizzes because sometimes technical error occur when using quizzes. Third, some of students may feel uncomfortable with competitive aspect that may appear in quizzes. And fourth, some of students feel bored when learning English because using monotonous media. Next is limitation of the problem. This research is focused on the student perception on using quizzes in learning English at the 11th grade student of SMAN 2 Siak Hulu in academic year of 2022 and 2023, and formulation of the problem is what are student perception on using quizzes in learning English at the 11th grade student of SMAN 2 Siak Hulu. Next is objective of the research. The objective of this research is to describe what are student perception on using quizzes in learning English at the 11th grade student of SMAN 2 Siak Hulu, and significance of the research. First is this research is expected to have theoretical and practical significance. Second, hopefully people who want to know student perception on using quizzes in learning English. Third, hopefully this research give benefits and contribute to the development of knowledge. Next is definition of K-term. There are 3 definitions of K-term. First is perception conducted by according to Rama 2003, and second is quizzes according to Zhao 2019. Third is learning English according to Chelsea et al. 2014. Next is chapter 2, literature review. In literature review, there are theoretical framework is first definition of perception, type of perception, student perception, indicator perception of quizzes, definition of quizzes, characteristic of quizzes, the advantages and disadvantages of quizzes, the use of quizzes in learning, definition of learning English, the reason learning English is important. Next is operational concept. According to Shafi'i 2016, the operational concept is derived from related theoretical concept on all of the variables that should be practically operated in a research. Thus, the researcher only focus on one variable. It is the student perception on using quizzes in learning English at the 11th grade student of SMAN 2 Siak Hulu. To operate on the variable, the researcher worked according to indicator as suggested by Zhao 2019. Chapter 3, Method of the research. Research design. The researcher used quantitative research, time and location, January until February 2024 at SMAN 2 Siak Hulu. Subject of the research involved all 11th grade students 11.1 until 11.5 who study at SMAN 2 Siak Hulu. Object of the research, student at SMAN Negeri 2 Siak Hulu registered in the 2023 until 2024 academic year, while the object of this research was perception of quizzes in learning English. Population and sample of the research. Population of this research, there are 180 total of students, And the sample of the research. The researcher used a theory according to Arik Kunto, 2006. If the population is less than 100%, the researcher accommodate all population. Otherwise, if the population is more than 100%, the population represent between 10 until 15 or 20 until 25% or more than it. In this research, the researcher took 45 students or 25% of the total population. Next is technique of collecting data. Questionnaire. The researcher used questionnaire adapted from Zhou 2019. And then next is technique of data analysis. The data will analyzed by using SPSS, Statistical Product and Service Solution version 20. Okay, thank you very much for your attention everyone. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.